Meaning of flip-flopper.
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 Flip-flopper. The term flip-flopper is used to describe someone who changes their opinions or beliefs frequently, often without apparent reason or consistency. This can be seen as a negative trait, as it suggests a lack of conviction and firmness in one's stance. The results of being labeled a flip-flopper can vary, but may lead to decreased trust from others and difficulties in achieving goals or maintaining relationships. In the political realm, flip-flopping is often criticized as a sign of indecisiveness or pandering to popular opinion.